Hi guys, today's workout is the Ghost. The Ghost is 6 rounds for reps of row for calories, burpees, and double unders with 1 minute rest between rounds. So what we want to think about in the row is keeping a nice flat back, a rigid torso, and remembering that the majority of your power is coming from your legs. And we want to also get a nice hard pull in that row. For the burpees, you want to touch your chest and thighs to the ground. As you're popping back up, try and land in that pike position instead of in a squat position so that you're not squatting multiple times throughout the burpee, being as efficient as possible. Then for the double unders, if you're doing double unders, make sure to breathe during this portion. You're probably already going to be gassed a little bit, so you would just want to think about making sure that you breathe, keeping those elbows in, relaxing your shoulders, and just getting a nice, smooth rhythm throughout. So that's the Ghost. I hope you guys all have fun with it and enjoy.